we are basically going to be checking out what 50,000 rupees can get you for the new Himalayan in terms of accessories in a city like Bangalore. I don't think I've spent a lot of money on sort of accessorizing the bike itself, but most of the spending has been towards luggage and basically making sure that the bike's ready for a long term or a long ride in the uncertainties of Indian roads. So the first and foremost thing that I had to fit were auxiliary lights, because as you can see with the parking lights that are on right now, the lights in itself on the Himalayan are not that great when you're looking at dark environments. And so we've basically taken, HJG's 60 watt lights and affixed them on the bike. Let me just show you the throw of those lights. I've purposely kept them in a different shade so that you can basically look at the color of the light as well and how far the light can go. The best thing that I thought about these lights were basically the adjustments. So you can adjust the intensity of the lights as per your need, so that you're not blinding someone else in front of you. And that in itself was about 10,000 rupees, inclusive of fitting and labor charges. The second thing that I got was an engine guard. I know the world is sort of conflicted on the necessity of an engine guard, but for me, I think the bigger reason for getting that was, it was a genuine Royal Enfield accessory, and genuine Royal Enfield accessory, the only one that was available. And B, when you're on long rides, you typically wouldn't want to keep your foot on the foot pegs when you're traveling on highways. And so that allows me another option to place my feet and move around a little bit on the bike when I'm sort of, out and about. The third and sort of the most important one that I put on after the lights was the radiator guard. As you can see right there, that's a one from Moto Torque, and I don't know the exact pricing for that one because sort of took a bunch of things together and paid together. But black colored radiator guard, Royal Enfield makes one, but that's white in color, and as you can see, our He-Man is a black beauty, so I wouldn't want to jinx it with a white piece on top. The remaining portion basically is luggage. I did get a branded Royal Enfield mid sticker because I didn't like the look of the bare rod in the middle, but outside of that, got some SHAD top rack, as well as some Rynox paniers, but these are soft paniers. I wouldn't want to leave my paniers on the bike usually, and so if I have a metal pannier, it's going to basically create some issues at home storing them, and so just kept soft panniers so that when me and my wife are leaving for tours, or even when I'm alone and doing a long distance tour, those are going to be helpful. I think that sort of sums up most of it. I mean, obviously when you put on side panniers, you need the side guards, side panels, which was installed as well. All of this roughly cost me, along with fitting labor charges, about 50,000 rupees. And I have actually gotten done PPF for the bike. As you can see, it's pretty fresh still, so there are a bunch of air bubbles still in there. But unlike general consensus, I went in with a matte PPF and not a glossy PPF for this one, because the color itself is black and it shines pretty well even without the glossy finish. And I thought I basically liked the look a little bit more here. Do let me know if you want me to cover anything or any of these accessories in detail, and please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.